Shocking! What Bollywood's renowned actress went through recently. Is this the bitter reality of the Indian film industry? Director orders, Chitrangada, get on top of Nawaz, sex karo. Actress quits the film. For those who are a Chitrangada fan might not like the next few minutes of this piece, because if sources close to the dusky beauty are to be believed, then this is what exactly Chitrangada had to hear from her director Kushan Nandi in Lucknow while she was shooting for Babu Moshai Bandookbaz with Nawaz. Now sources close to Kushan Nandi deny and say that it's Chitrangada who has loads of unnecessary attitude, while friends of the actress say she found Kushan's directives embarrassing. Before we unfold the entire drama, know that Chitrangada has already kicked the film, and after a traumatic time in Lucknow past 6 days, she has now landed in Mumbai. Back to the Lucknow set, let's tell you the grapevine on the Chitrangada Nawaz intimate scene. Moving on to a source who reveals, Kushan got a bit too engaged in the scene in question, which required Nawaz to only pull Chitrangada roughly on the bed and realize that someone is watching them. Kushan was not happy with the first take. He thundered, "Chitrangada, you ought to get literally on top of Nawaz, tange ragdo and sex karo." After hearing to this, Chitrangada literally went into a tizzy and didn't know where to look. She had to pinch herself if she had heard it right. Adds the source, Chitrangada told Nandi that how can he speak to her so outrageously while giving directions about an intimate scene in front of the entire unit, to which Kushan replied, "Okay, let's talk it out aside." But by then, Chitrangada had lost it. She shot back saying, "Now that you have started in front of so many people, why end it in a place away from them? What do you think of yourself, Kushan?" A friend of Kushan, however, says, "ऐसा तो होता रहता है. Directors get involved in their scenes and exaggerate a bit to get the best out of the actors. Chitrangada was not performing well. The film was suffering and we asked her to leave. She has too much attitude and not only wanted changes in the script but even reported late on the sets." Back to the grapevine. The gentleman that he is, Nawaz intervened, but Kushan was not convinced. Chitrangada completed the shot in 3 takes and left the set in tears. After that, she had a long chat with Nawaz and informed him that she is quitting the film. However, Chitrangada and Kushan's disturbed equation goes a little back in time. They had a rough equation right from the beginning of the film. We hear she was not happy with the costumes he was giving her. Chitrangada was told to wear petticoats and low-cut blouses for some scenes, to which she objected, saying that आजकल तो गरीब लोग भी अपने आप को एक साड़ी से ढक लेते हैं. Says the source, Chitrangada had actually pointed out to Kushan that she was not ready to wear petticoats and low-cut blouses in the first schedule in West Bengal itself. But again, Kushan came up with the same demand in Lucknow. And wait till you hear this. We hear Kushan even explained to Chitrangada that why she should wear low-cut blouses in this film. His justification, "Didn't you wear them in Desi Boys?" Chitrangada turned around and said, "I did that for an Akshay Kumar commercial flick where they took long shots of mine. You are making an art film and taking close-ups. Is this some erotic shit?" Spotboy has it that after Chitrangada walked away, the role was offered to Swara Bhaskar and she even liked the script, but refused the offer as she didn't find her role convincing enough. By the way, this film seems to be having a troubled life. A while back, Kushan had shelved the film citing some financial problems. And as we report, Chitrangada's replacement has still not been found. Leave your comments below and tell us if Chitrangada did right by opting out of this film.